Hey guys, this is Ralph from Flexfilm. We're in our back room at Flexfilm, and I have noticed behind me we have accumulated a lot of 20-inch by 100-foot rolls of Retroflex. We have them in all shades. I need my space back, okay? I put things on these shelves, and these shelves are being occupied with extra rolls. You know, we take 60-inch rolls and we cut them, and we usually cut 40 inches, and then we have the 20 left over, and the 40s sell more than the 20s, and they accumulate back here. I want my space back. I'm gonna drop the price down to $50 a roll. If you will find these on our website, on our deal section, and they're gonna be $50, and I need them gone, first come, first serve. I hope this deal serves you well.